Hello, creative, crafty, lovely. If you're a new subscriber, returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and share some cards that I have been making. And this is using the digital collection that I purchased from Amy J. Delightful, who is on Etsy, and she's also on Instagram. And the collection that I used is Small Town Field Planner Kit. So here is the first card that I created, and here's a really good close-up of it. And I just love this collection as well as the other one that I purchased. Her designs are so beautiful. Anyways, so I went ahead and I fussy cut all of these, and then here is some of the paper that is in her collection. And I tried to give this kind of like a diner feel with a check right here, and then the coffee, and then the 25 cents right there. And then with this right here that says good food and love served daily. So really enjoyed the way this card turned out. And I also put a little bit of stickles right there as well as there. Here is the second card that I created. And this is definitely giving the vibe of a five and dime. And if you're not familiar what a five and dime is, it used to be what you call like pharmacy stores, kind of like CVS and Walgreens. So here's your like the dime, and then you could get some like labels there as well as some makeup and some bobby pins. And I went in with some stickles and I stickled this as well as all the little dots. So this is the second card that I made with that collection. If you would like to see what the full kit looks like, I do have a video and I will go ahead and link it. And I will also include all of Amy's links to her Etsy as well as her Instagram account. And keep in mind that if you do want to purchase this collection, I do have a discount down in the bottom. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.